Welcome back, Vintage RC fans. Alright, we're going to unbox the package from FedEx with the JrxT. There was 17 of you guys who posted your guesses, so we'll see if any of them are correct, and if they are, you're getting a kit. So I'll keep this handy, and let's crack this open. It's Wednesday at about 8:05, and let's do it. Alright. Careful not to cut the box inside the box. Alright. Oh, ho, ho. Very cool. Let's see the box. Number 859 is what we have here. 859. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Closest we have, 846 from Adore Wedding Photography. Pretty close. But that's the, or 834 by Steve Devine. Hi, Steve. We're longtime RC friends. Yeah, that's the next closest, 794. But, yeah. Number 859 will be my kit. So we can go ahead and actually just do a quick unboxing now that I know it's my my kit. Let's get it out and opened up and check this thing out. Cool. This is so neat. Alright. Looks so cool next to its Big Brother truck. Let me get... Let's open this thing up here. Factory seals. Is that all there is to it? Yep. Oh, so cool. Love it. Wow. We got the manual, some stickers, some tools, all the same kind of charging things you get with the mini JrxT. Seems to be the same radio. Pull this whole thing out here. Check it out. Really cool. Oh, the tires feel great. Got little foams in them, I think. You can feel it. Let's get this cover off. Ooh, cool. Look at that. Check this out. Let's move this box for a moment. And here is its big brother. My actual JrxT. Super cool. I love it. Alright. That's awesome. I'm gonna pull the body clips. Let's check this out. Funky little body clips. They're kind of round. Nothing, like a big round circle. They don't tilt up or anything, but pull the shell off. Look at that. That's cool. Got the back of it. Awesome. That's a really well done body set. I really like that. That's cool. And let's see if our numbers match. We had 859. Check the motor plate. 0859 on the motor plate. Right down, I don't know if you can see that. They mark the motor plates right there as well. So very cool. Lots of room on that chassis. Definitely a bigger chassis than the buggy. There's a lot more room for the electronics. Looks great. Good old 5-link suspension. That is really cool. Yeah, have to get it out and run it. Play around with it a little bit. But that's it for this video. Just wanted to unbox and check our serial number and have some fun with that. So thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the rest of the LXT build series, the Matt Francis Red Edition LXT. Thanks a lot, guys.